So, dear friends, I think up to here you might have been clear about the definition of the forces, SI unit of the forces, and how force can be measured, and what is the formula for calculating the forces. I have told you by using the Newton's second law we can easily calculate the forces, and after forces we did discuss about the relation between the 1 Newton force with the Celsius unit of the forces. Means 1 Newton of force equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. That is the Celsius unit. And after that we have discussed about the balanced forces and the unbalanced forces. Means in which condition the forces gonna balanced and a forces gonna unbalanced. Now it is time for discussion of effects of the forces. So not to forget, when any forces, any form of forces are applied on any object or anybody, then different effects can be seen. So here I have enlisted here some major effects that can be seen on anybody. So number one here I have written here, means force can make a stationary object or a body to move. Means when you start a body to move or provide body in a motion, then you require ultimately the force. Means force starts the body to be in a motion. Now similarly, contrary to this, reverse to this state is rest. Now when you again want to bring the moving body back into the rest, then again you have to apply the forces. Now for this example can be taken, when you cycle your bikes or the cycling your anything else, means rickshaws or yourself bicycles, when you cycle that, then at the time you need to press your paddles, bicycle paddle, to move that bicycle in a forward direction. Means force is enabling that bicycle to move in a ahead direction, forward direction, and again when you want to stop that bicycle, moving bicycle, then again you have to apply the brakes. Applying brakes is here examples of the forces. Means force can start a body to in a move or in a motion, and next again if you want to stop that body, you can again use the forces. Now number 3, what can be the next effect? Means force can change the speed of Now next effect is here. I have written here, force can change speed of moving body. Yes, when you want to just speed, either when you want to increase or decrease the speed of moving body, then ultimately again you have to use force. So this is also the one effect of the forces. Means when you want to just increase the bicycling speed, then at the time you have to paddle more faster than earlier. And when you just again want to slow down, and again you have to use decrease the speed using the force. Means force can change the speed here. Speed here means either if you want to increase or decrease, both you can do using the force. This is the third effect. And fourth effect can be, force can change the shape and size of a body or object. Means using force you can change the shape and size of object or a body. Means in early morning you might have been pressing the toothpaste. Means the shape and size of toothpaste is found to be changed each and every day by using the pressing force. Means force can change the shape and size of anybody. Means you might have seen the goldsmiths or the blacksmiths just mantling the iron devices into the gold pieces using the hammer forces. Means force can change the shape and size of body as we require. Now number 5th can be the force can change the direction of moving body. Means you might have played cricket, football and volleyball too. Force can change the direction of cricketing ball using the bat. Means bowler bowls in this direction and batsman flicks to the for over boundary for a 4. Anything else? Means using the force he or she is changing the directions.